Okay, let's run a LinkedIn lead generation ad from scratch. So let's go into our campaign group, which is Superlumen, create a campaign, and we're going to choose the campaign group. So we only have one campaign group, which is Superlumen. You can use a different group, but we only have one in this training, um, training setup, and we have create a new group. But let's just leave it at that. So we're going to go to lead generation, and I recommend saving your audiences. So I have marketing managers and a few other bits and bobs here. So I'm going to leave it in the United Kingdom. It's English. And we're going to reach, let's try to reach by job title. So we always start with the job title and then we can compare it with other ways. So job title, which is job experience, job title, and let's try to get to marketing managers. So we want to know about marketing managers. So we got marketing manager, senior marketing manager, sales marketing manager, product marketing manager, digital marketing manager. So we want to see the manager level of, so digital marketing consultant, are we doing that? Digital marketing director. We don't want that. Digital marketing executive. We don't want a marketing director. So there's quite a few of these in the UK, but we're going to now narrow this down, and then we're going to see the audience size. But we're going to narrow this down um, to the company size of the sweet spot over 11, and even these. I might actually go quite broad for the reason that I'm going to get quite specific with the industry type. Note the enable audience expansion. We want to get rid of this. We do not want audience expansion because they're going to, we don't want to give LinkedIn the freedom to go and expand your audience. You can be the whole purpose of having LinkedIn ads is we can be so specific with who we're targeting. So we don't want to let LinkedIn go off and do what it wants with targeting and find other people who might click but might not be perfect. We want everyone to be absolutely perfect. So in this case scenario, I'm not segmenting based on company size for the reason that I'm going to segment just marketing managers. I want to test marketing managers versus marketing directors, and the size will just be too small because not only that I want marketing managers in these size companies, but also let's narrow further. I want them in SaaS companies. I like SaaS. SaaS loves me, and I love SaaS. SaaS needs LinkedIn ads, and I need SaaS. So let's go to company and industries, and I like where is it? Where's the SaaS? Software and IT services. So we can go computer software, IT, and internet. So we've got a very small audience here. But I'm okay with that because we can roll up. Remember what we spoke about? We can roll these up with other audiences. So we've got 7,100, which is quite small. But once we input the directors and a couple other job titles, then we can really understand this a little bit better. So we're quite specific because we're in a very specific industry. Our company sizes are a bit broad, but we have two very specific things. We're testing industry, and the job title is very specific. It's at the manager level in the marketing department, the marketing manager so it's not directors or VPs. It's literally just the manager. I want to see how the managers react to this offer. So that's who I'm targeting. So this is a small audience, but I'm okay with that because I'd rather have a bunch of smaller audiences than just one large one where I don't know what's going on. Potentially if it was a bit broader, I would have for sure segmented the company sizes as well. But if I segment those company sizes, the audience size gets to like 2,000, and the real sweet spot's around 20,000. So I'm going to stick with 7,100. Let's choose so here we go. Enable audience expansion. Get rid of that. We don't want that at all. So we click away from that. Single image. It's already clicked. Um, linked, so we can't get on LinkedIn Audience Network anyway. We don't want to because we want to make sure every click is high valued and from LinkedIn. We don't really understand enough about Audience Network. LinkedIn doesn't give us enough information about what the network is, like who's part of it. It has been releasing bits and bobs, but it's hard to know really where your ads end up. They're not so clear about that. So let's do the budget here. So we're going to do a daily budget. I want to spend no more than £50 on this. I want to spend like £30, but I'm going to put the budget up to 50 because I'm going to do a few different campaigns, and in total I don't want to spend too much, but I want to spend £30. So let's hit the floor again here. We can run right away. So here we're going to show more. We're going to do a manual bidding, and it's showing us £8.09. Similar advertisers are bidding at that. So what's the floor? £1.35. Wow. Okay. So £1.35. Let's see if we get how many kicks we're going to get. So based on your campaign data input, using suggested bid can help you get estimated 1,900% more lead. That might be true, but it'll just blow your budget within seconds. So, we might have to go up here. I actually think we don't need to do that. We'll probably have to go a few pounds up from this, but let's have a look. We don't need any conversion tracking because it's a lead generation form, so all the tracking happens on LinkedIn unless we're sending people to a website. So that's that. So again, all of this is suggesting what's going to happen. We're spending for 30 day spend, £4 to £6. I mean, this will go up. So we're going to have these impressions. Click through rate is going to be low. It's suggesting very low. And so that's like 0 to 2 leads uh, in the whole 20 days, 30 days, or 3 to 12 clicks. I think that's complete crap, but let's have a look. Let's create a new ad. Let's call it, it's a lead gen ad. And I want to call it, it's, well, which ad are we doing? LinkedIn report. These are who we're targeting. So I'm going to just copy paste what I already have from the campaign that I've done before. So I've already written this. So that goes in there. Destination URL, I've already got that all done. Oh no, I don't. So the destination URL is headline is download the LinkedIn ads strategy report. Strategy. Okay. So that's good. This description doesn't really matter. It doesn't. It says your ad description provides more info to people who see your ad. The ad description will not be visible in most scenarios and only appear for a small portion of LinkedIn members, such as those viewing it on the LinkedIn Audience Network, if enabled. It's not even enabled, so we don't need to do anything there. So form details. Let's do a new form. So we're going to do a download. Select. So create new form. Lead gen. So let's call it LinkedIn guide report. Download. English. What did we have before here? So we got download the guide, so that's this one, and below it we have this. Let's do that. So download the guide to LI ads. So the form wasn't accepted when I wrote LinkedIn, so I'm just writing LI, which is not as good at all, but that's fine. And how it can get you B2B business is a huge amount of new high value leads. The privacy policy is that, and we can also input our own extra stuff here if we want to do with the privacy terms and conditions. We don't need that. Okay, so I just want first name, last name, and email address. So that's all I want. I also want one other thing, which is LinkedIn profile URL. That's super useful. Don't need any custom questions or checkboxes. So let's go to the confirm page, the confirmation. So I'll say that, and thanks. You're down. The report. So the report is on its way to your inbox. Have a look at our website to learn more about LinkedIn ads. So I'm not sure if LinkedIn's actually going to allow this or not, because it says LinkedIn in it. I'm not sure how close they read this. I know when I put it in the title, they did not allow that. So we're going to put the this domain here, and we're going to input that there. So visit company webpage, that's good. We don't need any hidden fields, so we can create it. So it's saving your ad. Oh, we don't have an image. Edit. So where's our image? We need to upload an image. Okay, let's try this green one. So here we go. So we got download this. For some reason it's looking a bit big, which is strange. I'm sure it was the right size. Okay, so anyway, here we go. We can save that. We have an image, and yeah, it's going to be the right size. It's just being a bit glitchy. So for some reason it's in draft. But oh, that's right. So next. So now we can check it. You're almost there. Just to review your campaigns, lead generation, campaign group is good. Reaching sales managers, just manager level, small audience, but I'm okay with that. It's a bit broad with the company size, but we're being very specific with software companies. We don't want audience network. Budget's £50. We're bidding very low. So let's launch the campaign. Let's see how it goes. Great job, you've successfully launched your campaign. So now I'd probably do the same, create another one for the director level. Then potentially I would try, for example, manager and more. Then I'll try targeting the manager or directors by a different targeting type. So that's how I do it. So I hope you found this deeply useful. And if you want to learn a lot more and get a lot deeper with LinkedIn ads, I have a free mini course, a free mini video course on LinkedIn ads targeting, where we go quite deep into the targeting, which is one of the the best things about LinkedIn is the targeting, but we need to know how to do it. And in this course, which you can sign up for absolutely free, there's more info in the description below. We go over all the different ways we can target, including matched audiences. But then the most important part, which is putting it all together, simplifying all the different ways you can do it in a way where there's a framework and you can just follow. So grab that, it's for free, just have to sign up to it, and you get a 10-part course on LinkedIn ads targeting.